Na kabinta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antornews. Kubleye phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla Meghalaya u Conrad K Sangma kasni Nyngkong ulalit ban jngoh ya ka Shillong Government College of Engineering kabalayo ya ka jingmynjur na ka All India Council for Technical Education AICTE. Ban sdang no ya ka jingpule undergraduate ha ka shna ïing ban electrical engineering na ka bynta snem pule 8,000 ban 8,000 Haringkat ka jingsin ranang jengki he na katnat pule puthi bat ka Shillong Polytechnic College Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla ula jurip ya ka ïing jeng ka engineering college bat pelong ya ka jingeh slok bat kinong hikai jeng ka college ban sngoh ya ki jingdon kam jong ka college. Ula pentik na ba on pynbeit ya baru ki jingeh ban kentiu ki jingtei na ka bynta ban pelong ya ka Shillong Government College of Engineering ka batre kam kumbala batha da ka AICTE ki faculty jong ka Shillong Polytechnic College kila pentip ru sya Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla halor ka jingbei tingka na ka bynta ki jingwat bnya ha ka liang ka science bat technology ha ka ba Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla ula menjur. Ula ong ba bynta ka Chief Minister's Research Fellowship CMRF kabay pisay ki jingwat bnya ki biade ki kamshnadur bar ka kolshon ha ka ba on sa penhe shu ban pendap ki jingwat bnya ha ka liang ka science bat technology ka Shillong Government College of Engineering kadai ka college sarkar ka Nyngkong ha ka Jylla ya kani ka jingmynjur LOA la Aisha principal secretary ka tnat puli puthi ha ka lai photrik risau bar kani ka institute ka don hamaulai kenton masar ka badon ha East Khas Hills district bar kadai ka bala penyaso bar ka North Eastern Hill University nehu ki artli ki program puli bad dangren ka shna bar ka civic electric kin sdang dak ba Nyngkong lai phongut ki samla puli ka wei pa ka wei na ka bynta snem 8,000
So we are here in the Shillong Engineering College premises, and we have come to see the overall infrastructure set up. And as you all know, that the All India Council for Technical Education has approved the college and at least for certain courses that we can start now. And with this approval from the AICTE, we'll be able to start the academic year from this year itself. So sometime around August, post-August 15th, the classes will start. And therefore I have just come to see whether the arrangements are sufficient and whether anything needs to be done to ensure that the classes can start smoothly. And that is my purpose of my visit, and I'm very happy that the department has worked very hard, number one, to get this approval, and number two, they have also made necessary arrangements so that classes will be able to start. This is a very important phase and a step for us from the education point of view, and we've been waiting for this very long, and I'm very happy that finally the Shillong Engineering College will start and classes will resume from this academic year.
Yeah, and make sure that we are able to make this college a real good one, and be able to provide good education to our children, our youngsters, our youth of the state. This is really a big thing for us, and I hope that this will be a beginning of many more good things to come out here. I was discussing with the principal and with our director and secretary also while walking from the college building to this polytechnic building, that in the future also we should have more courses out here. But I would want to see that we start giving innovative courses that will have kind of a hybrid, because in today's world you cannot look at one subject as just engineering. Everything is linked up today. Law is linked up with environment is linked up with
Different kind of merging also take place. Like you have to come up with innovative
AI and all.
Yeah, exactly. You have to come up with innovative courses. So think about it, plan it well. Let's not be in a hurry. But yeah, we'll do it fast. But that doesn't mean this. I don't want it to be, because it's a major decision.